Welcome to the Zayed Stadium here in Abu Dhabi.
Ashkar, you won the toss. What are you going to do and why?
Bismillah Rahman. I would like bat first.
So, Afghanistan deciding to have a bat, and they've got a couple of debutants in their side. A bit of an anticlimax there. Barry McCarthy starting with a wide down the leg side. Bang. Well, even if the boundary was back all the way, that would still have been 6. What a way to open your account in one-day international cricket. Off the mark with a maximum.
What we want to see for the Delhi Bulls as well. Yes, ګربز. McCarthy's banged it in quite hard. I think he's looked for the bouncer.
Edge just wide of second slip. Well, if his first boundary was fantastic, that was a little bit more fortuitous. Lovely shot. ګربز again. He's picked that up off his hip. Beautiful timing. That'll be 4 more. Far too fine for Craig Young. Short and swatted away, really. Dismissed from his presence. Oh, is there a glove on that? They've scampered through for a single. Is there going to be a signal from the umpire? No, there isn't. So Rahman ګربز gets a life. And that rubs salt in the wounds. From an Irish perspective, it's been clobbered over mid-off by Javed Ahmadi for 4.
Too short.
And he gets in the gap. It's gone for 4. Shot. And it's gone all the way for a 6. Drives gloriously. And it will be a boundary. 6, and then a 4. Pulls. Finds the gap. Has that gone all the way for a 6? That's 50 if it's gone all the way for a 6.
Yeah, definitely carried all the way. That's a magnificent half century. Absolutely stunning strokes and fitting.
No slip, and it's gone for 4.
Pulled away. I think that's gone all the way for 6. Great way to end the over. Afghanistan go past 100. Good use of the feet, and that'll go all the way for 6. Even with a boundary right back, that still would have cleared the ropes by quite some distance. What a shot that was. Hold the pose. Straight down the ground. Second 6 in the over.
Adventurous, straight to the fielder on the boundary. Was there that need of playing that shot? Javed Ahmadi caught on the boundary. Down the ground. There is a fielder, but he's a spectator. It's gone for a 6.
Picking up early, ګربز down the ground and just times it perfectly. T22 ODI cricket.
Straight to the fielder. Is out. Remsha picks the fielder. Perfectly placed by the captain. Much more to celebrate for him.
Asghar Afghan sweeps it there. That's gone for a 4 so far. Down the ground. That's gone for another maximum by ګربز. Takes on Paul Sterling.
Keeping his shape and swinging it beautifully.
They're appealing, the Irish. Will they go for a review? Yes, they have gone.
So you can change your decision from not out to out, from not out to out, please.
Oh, round the corner again. 2 wickets to the leg slip. 4 for Andy McBride.
Look at it grip though. Turn, bounce. Nabi just turns it straight off the face. Easy as you like. Ireland back in this contest.
Oh, is that another catch to leg slip? Yes, it is. A hat-trick of catches for Kevin O'Brien round the corner, and Andy McBride crowns an absolutely superb spell with his 5th wicket. Fantastic bowling.
Action replay. Brilliant from McBride. He went around the wicket for that last ball. Little bit of grip. Oh, this is what it's all about. Andrew McBride.
There it is. 100 on debut for Ramanullah Gurbaz. What an achievement. Just the 16th player in the history of one-day international cricket to score a century on debut. Outstanding.
Gives room, edges. And it will bring him a boundary. Pulls, they got the man on the boundary, but he has found the gap and it's travelled all the way for a 6. Back-to-back boundaries for Gurbaz. He's accelerating. Shot. Excellent shot.
Wow. That is superb cricket from Gurbaz.
Edge. It's coming down to the 3rd man boundary here. Long chase for the fielder. It's a boundary. Short ball. And there is a fielder on the boundary and he's been caught on the boundary. Wicket at a time where they were building a partnership. And he's found the gap. Will pick up a boundary. International T20 book. And he has chipped it straight back to the bowler. Simi Singh has a wicket.
Gosh, he's hit that hard. Rashid Khan over extra cover. And having gone over the offside, he's well and truly gone over the onside now. That's really good cricket. He's hooked up and he's hooked long. Didn't think he got it initially, Najibullah, but the boundary isn't all that long on that side, and he's got it all the way for... Out towards deep cover. Oh, and he's pushed it over the bar for 6. Out. Barry McCarthy with those slower balls. Heaved out towards deep mid-wicket, and it's gone for 6. Wind assisted. Tector got his hands to it, but all he could do is push it over the bar. All dropped. Again, beaten for pace, Tucker. That's the 2nd chance he's put down today. Oh, he's caught that one beautifully. That has gone a long, long way. It's hit the roller.
Bowls the cutter. Rashid Khan spots it and just lofts it through and over the offside. It's a brilliant shot. Beautiful swing at the back. Clears that front leg. Good execution. Yeah, he's a talent. He really is.
Back-to-back 6s. And that's 50 for Rashid Khan off just 27 deliveries. What an innings. And that'll be 4. 3rd man and backward point up in the circle. He wants 2. He's coming back for it, and he's not going to get it. Nicely gathered by Tucker on the half volley. Off the splice of the bat from Naveen ul Haq. They want 2, and Naveen dives, and he's going to go upstairs. Is the umpire.
Gather. It's a great dive. I love this. I love the dive. Brilliant from Afghanistan.
3rd umpire is content that that's not out. And so 2 runs is the result.
Debutant was fantastic. Ramanullah Gurbaz. Brilliant century. And I mean that. It's a really, truly special performance here this morning. 127 and a run a ball.
The Ireland bowling. 8 bowlers used in total. And the standout McBride, who's now gone past 50 one-day international wickets for Ireland.
hits the center of the bat. Pulls, emphatic stroke, intentions visible here from Paul Sterling. He opens his account with a thumping boundary. Crisp strike into the gap. A glorious shot from Paul Sterling. Stunning. Crunchy stroke will pick up a boundary through the offside. Hits him on the pad. Hughes appeal for LBW is given him. Naveen Ulhaq, the son of Doctor, provides early breakthrough.
Oh, look at this. Good. Off cutter. That's clever. Oh, it's hit him right in front of middle and off. We wondered how soon he would go to his changeup. He hasn't lasted long. Second over, he's already using his changeup. It's good bowling.
A crunchy stroke. And that will travel to the boundary. Excellent placement. Balbirnie playing it beautifully. And in the gap. Excellent strike for 4 to mark the end of the 6th over. It's 30 for 1. In the gap once again. The placement has been immaculate. It was punchy strokes from Balbirnie. Caught. Very good catch from Rashid Khan there. So another wicket for Naveen Ulhaq to celebrate. Again, the slow delivery, holding on and driving forward. He's an excellent fielder also, Rashid Khan.
Sterling goes over extra cover and almost all the way for 6. I think that just pitched on the half volley before the rope. Oh, that's lovely from Paul Sterling, using his feet mid-off up in the circle, and Sterling needing no second invitation to go over the top and find the boundary.
Will begin to continue. Slower delivery, gets it over the top of the fielder inside the circle. It's gone for 4. Good positive start to this over.
Check to get a partnership here. Partnership running. They'll be pushing 2 here, and it's gone for the boundary. Well placed.
Good timing too. Well, reverse, audacious shot, and it will give him a boundary.
I think that's what Afghanistan would like. And he's just broken the partnership, and there's that trademark celebration from Gulbuddin. So the slower ball works again.
Is a right for Gulbuddin. He's holding up with a bit of extra bounce also. Very well taken, the leg cutter and the catch and the joy and that restless celebration. Player. And he's gone. First ball. Sterling.
Straight away, Sterling is gone for a review.
Affected line pitch on hitting the wickets. Stand by. You can stay on your original decision. I will inform you on screen. You are on screen now.
Will take a run here. Might travel to the boundary. Reverse attempted. It's coming fine here, right behind the wicketkeeper. And it's for 4.
All dropped off a thickish inside edge, and Rashid Khan's expression says it all. Let's have another look here. Could he have gone with 2 hands, I wonder?
Cracked away. Good aggressive stroke coming in from Kemper. Full toss and gap is found to perfection. It's a 4, much needed boundary. Appeal, and it's given this time around. Mohammad Nabi. He has reviewed straight away.
I've seen the duration on the ball hit the bat. So just go to on-field umpire Pakteen. You have to change your decision from out to not out. I will inform you when you are on screen. You are on screen now.
Oh, that's a beautiful ball. That's an absolute ripper. Has it done too much? No. Well, I think he might send us upstairs, Curtis Camphor.
In the ball in the bat, go for the ball tracker when it available, please. Pitch in line, impact in line, and hitting the wicket. Durrani You can stay on your original decision, stand off out.
Today doing brilliant work.
Top edge and out. The sweep attempted, and Rashid Khan gets his success.
To Rashid Khan and Mujib and Nabi, because with the variations that Mujib and Rashid have, rather, every ball's an event, turning it both ways.
50 to Lorcan Tucker.
Down the ground, there is a fielder on the boundary. It goes 20 yards over him for 6. Full toss. Fielder, easy catching practice there. Naveen has a wicket. What is that? Is that a no ball? No. Very, very tricky decision for the third umpire to make. He's been challenged, especially in this decision. The match depends on it. No ball signalled.
Well, interesting.
And good partnership, losing wickets. They need boundaries, occasional boundaries in some fashion, and he has dished out a boundary disdainfully. Gets it over the top of extra. Pressure releasing shot. And that's 2 of the very first delivery to put additional pressure in the mind of the bowler. Boundaries. Beautifully bowled. No doubt in the mind of the bowler. He's absolutely clear about his thought process. And he gets a crucial break.
Rahman. Beautiful bowling. Again, disguise.
Up in the air. Fielder on the boundary is coming in. And he's not going to make any mistake. Rashid Khan takes the catch. Shot. Nice connection. It sounded like a 6. It is a 6.
That's it, Lorcan Tucker. That's what we're after.
Shot down the ground. Straight down the ground. Maximum from Tucker.
Swing of the bat. Nice free swing of the bat when it's in the right area, and he's picked what type of delivery Naveen's bowling at him.
Reverse and into the gap, and that will be a 4. No, it's Rashid Khan, the king of spin. He always weaves the magic around the bat. He always takes wickets when he's asked to take by the... This time he swings it, tonks it delightfully for a 6.
Good hit by Craig Young.
Ireland 39 of 41. Sterling started well, stroking the ball really well, and then Tucker 83 of 96, setting the game up nicely. He bowled really well in the first spell, but went for a few runs. In the last few overs, was searching for wicket. 3 for 68, 2 wickets for Mujib. Afghanistan 287 for 9, courtesy 100 from ګربز, and Rashid Khan 55. Andy McBride getting 5 wickets for 29, the off spinner. Simi Singh getting wicket, McCarthy 2, and Gareth also 1 for 17.